back to another civilians video. Today I'm showing you how easy it is to assemble our heavy-duty 7-foot round wedding arch. Let's begin.
The parts are numbered from 1 to 6, not including the base. Part 1 will attach to the base first. Be sure to use the provided hex key to secure the arch tightly to the base. Now we'll add the remaining parts in the corresponding order. This push-lock mechanism makes the setup super quick and easy. Make sure to like this video and comment down below if you'd like to see a step-by-step tutorial on how I transformed this arch into one perfect for Barbie's dreamland.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you stop by our social media pages for more event inspiration and subscribe to see our latest videos. Thank you again and see you next time.